Hey guys, today I'm making a daiquiri cocktail. So first thing you want to do is grab your martini glass and chill it. And you can do that by adding ice and then adding water. Get the glass nice and cold. And then you want to take your mixing glass and add 1.5 ounces of rum. Okay. Then you want to do simple syrup, 3/4 ounce, and then lime juice, 3/4 ounce as well. And then take your shaker tin and add some ice and then shake it up. Slam it closed, shake it up. Give it about 10 good shakes. Then after that, break the seal. And you want to empty your martini glass. And then go ahead and strain your contents into the glass. And you are almost done. Just one last step, you gotta add a nice garnish. So in this case, I'm gonna be adding a lime wheel. All right, that's a lime wheel you see on screen, and I'm just cutting a little slit so it fits on the rim. And there you have it, guys, a daiquiri cocktail. By the way, if you'd like to learn more about making cocktails, I recommend you read my ebook, The Cocktail Express Book. The Cocktail Express Book teaches you how to make 10 classic cocktails like a real-life bartender, and it gives you my personal proven tips to get your first bartending job. So if you are interested in that, the book is ready and available for you for instant download at nightlifebartenders.com. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Check out the videos on screen if you haven't seen them yet, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.